Akiaria gicigo-ini kia Gilgil, Minista ugite maabitha ugima wa mwiri nimegukorwo magithurima mathibitari ma kurigita na meciria guku bururi-ini niguo kuona uria maundu matabanagio guku.
1 out of 4 Kenyans today is ailing from a mental condition, and therefore it is a problem whose time in terms of focusing has come. Under the universal health coverage, one of the 4 pillars of His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, mental health has been identified as one of the packages that we must address.
Gukiri uguo ni ugite ni hari bata wa mathibitari maya guthurimo weru niguo kinyanira ikiro rirabatarania undu uria unyititwo mbaru ni gavana wa Nakuru Kinyanjui.
Specific funding for mental health in Kenya, and as a result counties including Nakuru have to manage a very huge burden, and Gilgil Hospital for that matter we incur over 20 million every year to manage a unit.
Hidinro Minista ni arutite mukana kuri rwonge rwa ruheanaga marua kuri thibitari cia andu kiumbe akenda iria itakinyanire ikiro kuhingo.
The PPB and the other licensing authorities who are responsible for licensing and making sure there is order in the health sector have been given by Sicily Kariuki 90 days from Monday to make sure they scan around all the facilities, including the pharmacies that are being operated by quacks.
Minista uyo henite mukana yo kurumirira mathibitari maingi ma andu kiumbe gukorwo makiheana motungata matikinyanire ikiro. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ni njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.